Okay, so we're picking garlic scapes now. And what the garlic scape is that on hard neck or stiff neck garlic, it's the flower stalk that comes out. And in order for us to get bigger bulbs, one of the things we need to do is take this out so it puts more energy towards growing the bulb. But at the same time, we can use it as a crop because it's really good to eat. And traditionally, I just give you a few recipes. One of my customers in, I think it was Flagstaff, had told me this last week, it might have been Prescott, that in Spain, they use the garlic scapes and they blanch them a little bit first, and then they throw them in the pan and they scramble them with eggs. Another customer had said, I haven't had a lot of experience personally, I've used them in salsa and stuff like that, but another person had told me they steamed them like beans.